What's going on, YouTube? I'm back with another video on the 2012 Dodge Charger Demon build. I'm gonna give y'all a quick update of where we at, or shit, where I'm at. But where I'm at now is I'm about to start cutting. I'm about to cut the body line to get to match the body line. So we got the front fender flare on. Like I said, this is gonna be the first 2012 Dodge Charger Demon with the first factory wide body kit. And when I say factory, I meaning that the front flares that you see, I cut them off a 2020 Dodge Charger wide body bumper, the front bumper. And the same thing for the rear flares. I cut the rear flares off of the rear bumper off a 2020 Dodge Charger wide body bumper. And then I bought all of the flares. So everything you see on here is completely factory. Nothing is out the market. Everything came from Dodge. I'm molding it all to the car. Everything gonna look factory. All the body lines gonna match up. So, like I said, this is gonna be the first in the world with a full body kit using all of Dodge pieces. I don't want to take away the front end look. I like the way the SRT model look in the front. So like I said, I am keeping that style, not changing that style up. We're gonna keep that style all the way around. For people who don't know, that's what we're doing. Keeping that original SRT8 look. But yeah, like I said, today, I'm gonna get this body line cut. We're gonna get it cut where it needs to be cut at. Then we're gonna take the rest of this off of here, attach it to here, make that one whole piece so we can make it match up with the body line. Same thing back here in the rear. Cut off what we gotta cut off from the bumper side skirt. The bumper flare, and add a little bit of it to this one because the body line starts here. We're gonna chop this off, add it to the top to match up. As you can see, we already got the door flare mounted all the way. You know what I'm saying? So we got that one on. That one on perfect. So you can see as that one's mounted. I am gonna show y'all what I use to make my holes. Matter of fact, I believe it's right here. But if you're looking to make your holes in the door, this is what you need. I got this from Harbor Freight, and it cut the holes perfectly. That way, so each and every last one of these little grooves will fit in there perfectly. So underneath here, let's see. So what I did was I removed these off of here just like this. If you take them off carefully, you can re-put them back on. But this centerpiece here, this whole circle ring, need to go in the inside of the door when you cut your hole out. So this fits in there perfectly. That goes over it perfect. It makes the door holes in there perfect. You know what I'm saying? So you can get your perfect cutout. But like I said, I'll take this off later so y'all can see what it looked like behind it. But I got perfect holes. You know what I'm saying? I didn't use the clips over here yet. So I still got to attach the clips right there. Like as you see on this one. So on this one, I just removed these for right now. As you can see, this is the other side of the door flare. So I just removed them. And these are the only thing that's holding it in place. And then I cut these out, put in the door to do the wide body. But yeah, man, I'm gonna do the other side today. And I am gonna do it on video, so you guys can actually see me put it on. Like I said, if you take them off, you can put them right back on without destroying them, as you can see. But yeah, man, this is what I use. I use this Hercules, and it cut it out perfect. So I just wanted to give y'all an update, man, of where we was at. But I got more videos coming today. Like I said, we're gonna try to get this whole kit cut and installed down here today. At least get it attached so we can get ready to start completely molding it. Plan to have it all done this weekend, because the week after 4th of July, the motor will be going in. We're gonna get the motor and everything put in here. So this is it. So we getting it done so we can get it done to the body shop. So right after we finish this molding, we're gonna drop the motor in and we're gonna get it down to the body shop. But yeah, man, I want to appreciate everybody who be checking me out, watching me. I appreciate all y'all. I got more videos coming soon. I know I've been busy a lot, so I'm trying to get this damn thing finished myself because I'm ready to drive it myself. So, but yeah, man, like I said, first in the world, 2012 Dodge Charger with a wide body kit, all factory pieces. You know what I'm saying? So she coming soon, and we also using the factory splash shields that go in the wheel well. So we waiting on those to come. Like I said, them fender flares, man, that shit took a long time to come. We've been waiting on those. I should have got those when I got all the other pieces, but they just now came yesterday. So I just, you know what I'm saying, got them on there to see what it looked like. But we definitely will get this damn thing finished so we can get this motherfucker up to the shop so we can get it painted. But yeah, man, I just wanted to give y'all an update of where we was at. Please like and subscribe. Let's keep it going.